Hello and welcome to my channel. I am so excited to try some new recipes and I love this book. I've had it for, I don't know, years and I've never tried some of these recipes. Today I'm going to try this one, this easy meatloaf. Now I've never tried cooking meatloaf in a crock pot in all the years I've been a cook. I don't know, it didn't seem like that would work very well, but this recipe, I followed it, and oh my goodness, it's so easy to make and it's so delicious. Come along and let me show you how I did it. That little bit of hamburger made so much when I added that box of stuffing to it. So I decided, since I'm only cooking for two, I'm going to divide it and we'll have a different meal on a different day. That is so helpful too. If when you do cook, you make enough for another day, that you don't have to mess with it. So it's all about easy cooking. I did put this on low. Oh, it looks like I put it on high there, but I did end up turning it to low. I had to leave for a little bit, and I'm really glad I did because in about 2 hours, just like the recipe said, it was done. I was so surprised, but it was done, and you should have smelled my house. It smelled so great. If you ever walked into a church when they were having a banquet or just that smell of something really good in the air, and that was what I was greeted with when I got home. Here I am making up the meal for another night. I have these little pans that make little tiny meatloaves, which are just perfect for us. I will link this plastic wrap container thing. I'm sure it has an official name. in the description in case you would like one. They are so handy. I just love it. Just all you do is go back and forth and the plastic comes right off. I ended up making a vegetable to go with this, and it was just the perfect dinner. Look how good this turned out. It's cooked all the way through. I love using a meat thermometer because, I'm always worried that I'm not getting it done, but check that out. It's overdone, I think, by a little bit, but I like to go over a little than under. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll hit the like button and subscribe.